right, guys, we are in Salt Lake City for the Salt Lake Beauty and Barber Expo. Let's go check out the setup. We got a couple new things to show you guys. Normal setup, but guys, we now have the powder in a pump, so you guys can take this cap off. You click this and it will spray out. So I actually haven't tried it yet. I got one in my bag. We're gonna do it on my first demo. Obviously, guys, the no drip Beam Team Tomb45 enhancement card, clutch card, and the pencils, the mat with the insert, you guys have seen this, and the new light up LED expansion pads. But you guys can see we're all set up. Bosio just started his class. We got a few hours before the show floor starts. I'll do a little lap real quick, show you guys what's going on in here before it gets crazy. All right, guys, so this is the side stage. I'm actually gonna be doing a class over here. It's my first class kind of in the convention, in the expo. I've done some classes outside in these side classrooms, but this will be my first one on the main stage. Well, it's not the main stage, but calling it the side stage of the show. It'll be up on the screen. I'll be cutting over here. Super dope, so I'm looking forward to that. My girl Kenna over here at the Barber Evo booth. Working hard. Why are you always missing from the booth?
Oh.
Guys, if you haven't seen this magazine, let me find this real quick. The boy is in here. I don't know if I showed you guys, but if you guys want to check it out, go to Barber Evo and check these magazines out, guys. These are super dope. Some of the best people in the industry. Some dope work in here. You guys check them out. So, feet, how are you? Good. Uplift booth. Not everybody's set up yet. It's a little quiet in here. You're gonna be last minute people. Oh, those are tough.
Thank you, my brother.
So Iced Out, you guys know that is Mayweather's barber. She is doing the LV Barber Expo. I thought there would be a flyer over here, but I don't see it. But the LV Barber Expo is coming back. Like I said, guys, when the show's going, we'll check it out again. But I like to show you guys some stuff while the music isn't going crazy. I don't get copyrighted. Ooh. The Sabers, not a whole lot. If y'all need them, you better get to it. You guys know that's my favorite trimmer right now. Little Gamma booth. You guys know Shea Poo, my man Habibi. I'm gonna look again. You guys know every show we gotta come check them out, but I just ain't found it once yet. I just ain't got enough swag. That's the problem. I put them on, you're like, that's it. I'm like, no, man, I feel like a goofball. I'm not cool enough to wear these. You guys can see, not a whole lot of people set up yet. I don't know what's going on. The show is in, I guess it's like 4 hours, but I mean, literally all these are empty. And this is a beauty show as well, guys. So I think there will be some beauty brands and some barber brands. So pretty much over this way. We're still getting going here. Not a whole lot set up, but I'd like to show you guys this a little bit. It gets a little hectic in here. Here in a bit, it's gonna be loud and crazy. So there is JRL. I imagine they'll be doing some cutting over here. Have the equipment over there. You guys see a lot of empty booths. I don't know what's going on. They're about to get to it. That's a Squire booth. Got some food back there. Caliber. I guess there's not a whole lot set up. We do still have like 3 or 4 hours until the show, so I would imagine everybody else will get here and set up. But we're all set up. We're gonna run a couple errands. We'll pop into Bosio's class, and then we'll pop back down here when the show starts. All right, y'all, man, check this out, man. I got this new shirt. Woo! Tell me, is it Pacino's or Chris Bosio? What y'all know about this shirt? Well, should I wear it the whole show? All right, y'all, my man Kendrick Cuts. Gonna give me a little high taper. The show kind of getting started, just slow. It's a little soft opening. He gonna give me a little cleanup real quick. I'm a little shaggy, so we're gonna do a little high taper real quick before the show gets going.
Yeah, bro, just getting ready to using the fade down technique on my boy. The last step, I really want to get the hardest part, this dark part here, really to transition to the top done first, and then really focus on my skin part last. So
no, I like that weight line. You already know.
Yeah, and I knew that. So I like to kind of prioritize things first. And me and Sean been rocking together for a while, so I kind of know how he likes his hair. And he stressed over and over that he kind of likes the bulkiness like around here, pretty much like a number 2 or something like that. Yeah. And just going to the heavyweight transition. So I lift it super heavy, as heavy as I could, and I'll tether it in just a bit, but just pretty much set out the groundwork fast, and this took me literally 3 minutes to do.
Yeah, boy.
What's going on, guys? Kenna here. I am taking over Sean's vlog for a couple minutes. Behind me, we have Kendrick's getting Sean all cleaned up. Got Dre working hard as usual. We're at the Salt Lake City Expo.
Yeah, Kendrick's trying out the Sabers for the first time.
Yeah, these is it, bro. I ain't gonna cap with you. It's like hot knife through butter, boy.
The crunch is crazy.
I've been on some, like, I'm not buying no more clippers type of deal, trying to keep my bottom line low. But these, I might have to get these, bro. How much these going for? 180?
200.
God dang, bro.
You know,
they want me for my paper.
They solid though. With the metal body and the crunch is crazy.
You already know Seancutshair color enhancement card combo with that Beam Team XL and that no drip color. I like to, when I'm doing like vertical bars like this with no C-cup, I like to angle the color up, coming down. So the color's actually like darker up here and kind of ombres and gets lighter as it goes down. Here, watch, I'll show you guys.
Give me that long vertical bar.
Yeah, bro. So angle it up. And like that. You see, kind of added the color through here, dark right here, and kind of ombre and got lighter just out through towards the eyebrow. So I'm gonna make it a little bit heavier, but I like to start off and just create my template. All right, so cool. So this is new from Tomb45. We always trying to innovate and get better. This is our first styling product that we dropped, but it came with just little holes at the top that allows you to disperse, but we wanted to be a little bit more intricate, a little bit more focused and precise. So we now added this pump that allows you to just be a little bit more precise, a little bit more direct instead of just using the 4 holes and spread out. This is a different applicator, bro. Something we try and we'll think be beneficial for the industry. So the way I like to use these pumps, actually, well, normally I would use the powder to shake it all over the head, but with these pumps, I kind of like to get into wherever I want it to be, like the root. Spray a little there. Kind of apply, but being light with it, one thing that I do like, you can actually kind of control how much is coming out. So if you want a little, you just kind of barely pump it, or if you want a lot, you give it a full pump. And with the can, sometimes we a little too much comes out than we want to. With a product like this, a little bit goes.
All right, y'all, my man Kendrick just got me together, man.
Chill. Who knew a boy like?
He need one too.
Who knew a boy that looked like me can cut hair like that? You know what I'm saying?
Hey, y'all go follow him if you're not already. I cut hair for
fun on IG, man, and all platforms.
And if you guys want to check out that powder, you guys know Tomb45.com. Use that code Seancutshair. You guys save 10% on that and everything else on the website. That's when you gotta like either start making different content or start, like you asked earlier, like how you stay creative. You just gotta find something new that still goes along with that hair that keeps it fresh for you. Whether that's making TikToks or going to take a class or like starting a YouTube channel, whatever. I mean, everybody's got their own thing. You gotta keep it fresh. I couldn't stay in the shop 6 days a week doing the same haircuts, same clients. That's hard, man. Any creative cuts, like the stuff I'm really trying to do.
Are you into hair dyes at all?
I do like that. I don't do much of it. I want to do like the buzz cut with like the cheetah print or with the, you know what I mean, like that. But I mean, the city I'm in is super like not cool. Don't even say nothing.
Don't put down video.
Like last night we was like, we're doing good, man, but like, we gotta do better. I know I'd rather be doing this and, like I said, making enough money to be with my family and traveling the country and whatever it is. Like, I mean, you can leave it fuller here and here and take it shorter here. It's like naturally depending on, I mean, some people got that really like Batman widow stick, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, it comes way down. It just depends to get it sharp. Natural as possible, but we'll get it crispy. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little lap and see what this show is all about. Y'all know the boys of Illusion's always here. Uppercut. What up, fellas?
How you doing? How you doing?
Text to your phone right now.
It's good.
Brother, good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. on.
That's because I watched your tutorial.
No. He full of it. Look at that. It's a fellow DFS user.
And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit that bottom line that I was talking about. You messing with me?
Nah, you see the big show on at the same time. Nah, finish, bro. It's gonna be a good sound bite. Go crazy.
Content, baby. Kendricks, man. I'm glad to be here with you, bro.
Oh, bro.
Y'all don't know this, but last year I just had the baby. We had 3 shows in a row, and this is the one I did not come to. And I'm sitting at home and I see everybody's Instagram stories and they riding the scooters around and the show looked crazy. So I was sad, but we're here this year.
Yeah, for sure.
It's dope so far.
This is one of my top 3 favorite barber shows to come to. It's a sleeper for sure, but it's definitely one of the upcoming rises, bro. It's kind of like this one's like most improved, like rookie of the year. Like this one's gonna be definitely one to be a big show for years to come, bro. Salt Lake City Barber Expo.
Yeah, if y'all not here, if you're not wanting to get out to expos, this one to try to come out to and check it out. So come see us next year. Barber events that I go to, we always do fades, right? All clipper work. If you guys want to learn how to fade, I have 300 plus videos on YouTube on how to fade. So we're gonna do an all scissor cut for you guys today. I'll wait for him. Well, okay, so you can see where I just cut. So I'm just gonna go a little bit further. I'll probably cut a little bit off to begin with, but same idea. You're gonna go shorter on the sides, your initial guide's a little bit shorter. You follow it all the way around. Follow that down. So we're getting done with this side, guys. We're almost finished. Then we'll start to connect the top together. And we're just gonna texturize the back. I just want it to be nice and flowy. Do a little blow dry style on here. This is adding to your ticket, guys. Every client I cut gets styled. I teach them how to style it. I teach them how to use the product. All right, y'all, man, the show is almost over. I didn't get a whole lot of the show, but I showed you guys what was going on. My class went dope, did an all scissor haircut. You guys saw some of that. Man, it's hard to vlog at these events. I've been talking to people all day. Got a lot of you guys telling me you appreciate my videos, and man, you guys don't know, I've been having a hard time lately keeping up with YouTube. It's super hard to stay on 3 videos a week. Sometimes the numbers don't do what I want, so it's really discouraging. And talking to you guys in person, you telling me that you appreciate my videos and all the things it's done for you, I really appreciate it, guys. So if that's you, smash that thumbs up on this video, guys. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about the cuts that I did. As always, guys, I appreciate all you to watch all of my content. Stay tuned for some more. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I'll catch you guys next time.